Hey everybody, Vacationeers, Tom, Elena, and Sophia, and maybe some extra guests are here today, right outside of Busch Gardens, Tampa, at the Yuengling Draft House. I'm not sure what it's called. Yeah, Draft House. It looks glorious. I've never been here. I know this used to be the old Busch Brewery, so I haven't been in it since back then when they used to give free tours. Let's go inside, have some food and drink, and have a lovely time.
Let's go.
Woo! Welcome to Yuengling. Very nice. They have a Yuengling gift shop. So you have seats and an indoor bar, an outdoor bar with a game, and more seats. And that's where the gift shop is. So, and a sitting area over here. All right, well, I'm getting the Try Them All flight for $2. I added on a strawberry one too. It's $15. You get a 6-ounce pour of all of these plus the limited. So that sounds lovely. Here it is, the flight. This is a premium, this is a strawberry. Everything else is labeled underneath. It's going to be a very good dinner. So this is their mango one. Never had this one before. It's called Bonko Fizz.
No,
Bonko Fizz. So here we go. Oh my god. Yeah. It's not awful, but yeah, it's definitely mango. Okay. Here we go. You know, it did say DIY deviled eggs. I didn't realize I had to do all the work myself, but there it is. Very peculiar. So go ahead, Elena. Okay. Oh, perfecto. Easy, easy. Not too much each one. Okay. What is that? What type of jam?
Onion. I think so. Bacon jam.
The mustard might be a little spicy. Wow. Those are pickles.
Pickles?
See.
No spicy?
No spicy. That's interesting. Oh yeah. Woo. That mustard is no joke. This is the shrimp scampi. Looks very good. This is the cheese, mac and beer cheese, and the cod po' boy. Oh my god, so good. Well, it looks good. I don't know. All right, there you go. That is how they call that. All of different Yuenglings. Quite lovely. That is the end. Food was very good. Elena, how did you like your shrimp scampi? Yeah? You like? The po' boy was good. Half of it's in there. The mac and cheese is half of it's still sitting there, but very good all in all. The beer was the hit, right? Right? Yeah. You like the beer? Oh, I don't know. Yeah. Very, very good. All right. And of course, live music. All right. Let's pay our bill and get the heck out of here. Okay, well that is the end of our dining experience here at the Yuengling Brew House, or whatever it's called. Very good. The flight was amazing. The food was good.
That's good.
I had the mac and beer cheese. It was very good. Still have half of the cod po' boy because it's just so much food, so much beer.
The pasta is very good.
Very good. You like the pasta? Muy bien. The place is very good. We did do the gift shop. I didn't record inside though, but they have what you expect: t-shirts, beer,
Yes.
yeah, what you expect, yeah.
Yes.
And average pricing, yeah, it's what you expect in that type of establishment. That's the pricing, I guess. But yeah, all in all, very lovely place. I'd come back for sure. Again, the $15 flight plus the $2 extra for the extra beer, which gave me what, 10 beers at 6 ounces each. That's 60 ounces for $15. A very good price. And you got to drink all the Yuenglings, which were for the most part very, very good.
Okay, very good.
But I think that's all we have for this dining experience. So I guess until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making beer memories.
Thank you, thank you.
Thank you very much, everybody. Yes. Ciao.
Thanks for watching the Vacationeers Podcast YouTube channel. If you enjoy this content, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you'll be notified when new content drops. Also, swing by vacationerspodcast.com for vlogs, videos, and much more, including links to listen to our podcast, Vacationeers, Theme Parks, and more. Or you can find it on your favorite podcast streamer. Would you like to know what I'm up to? Well, follow me on X, formerly known as Twitter, where I post anytime I am out and about. Well, that's probably enough plugging for now. So until the next live stream, podcast, or vlog, keep making memories.